Hi and welcome to Digital Leader. In this tutorial we will talk about how you can add dark mode to your WordPress website. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your dashboard and log in, and once you are logged in, go to plugins and click on add new. Now once you are in your add new panel, go to the search bar and type in WP dark mode. Now you can see the first option of WP dark mode. You need to install it, and it will take some time to install. Once the dark mode has been installed, you have to activate it. Now there are both options for you to add dark mode to your backend and front end as well, so you can do both. And once your plugin has been activated, you will be redirected to your WP dark mode settings. So now you can see you are on your general settings, and from here it is already been enabled all the basic dark mode settings. And from here you can see there is the toggle bar, and if I do switch on the dark mode, it will enable the dark mode. And all I need to do is to go to save settings, and we will go to our website to check whether the option is showing or not. So there you can see we have this option, and if I click on this, it will show the dark mode. So this is how you can add dark mode to your WordPress website, both backend and front end.